He's turned up for work, yes.
Our hero.
I have a right to be here. He's turned up for work.
Well, this is my workplace.
I'm not pushing.
This is where I work.
Our hero.
I'm teaching here. Here.
You're not allowed. We'll drag the escort you in if you want.
Now, this is what I'm faced with again this morning. And Mr. Justice Cregan knew well this morning that this is what I would be up against when I come to this school. He knew where I'd be this morning.
Yes.
And I would just say to people this morning, it's not true what Mr. Justice Cregan said yesterday
100%.
about his motivations for letting me out. That is
up.
simply not true.
Right.
He knew where I would be here, and I would ask people to reflect on that. I should never have been in prison in the first place. This is my workplace, this is where I teach.
Correct.
He should be exalting the Constitution. It's a nonsense to say that he let me out. I'm here at my workplace this morning to say, and I have the order here, to say that he's letting me out to focus. That's an insult, I say, to our institutions. It's an insult to the prison service. It's an insult to the people that are in prison doing their time for their crimes or whatever they went through. That is an insult, I say. You don't let people out of prison for those reasons. You do not let people out. That is an insult, I say. And he's letting me out because of what happened at the DAP. He's letting me out because lies have been told about me. Lies have been told about me, and it's all come out that it was a shambles. That's all come out. No cross-examination, no questions asked, a new rationale when you go in the door. A new rationale when you go in the door. You know, the decision maker, Miss Geraldine O'Brien, the vice president of the ASTI, saying that whatever somebody would tell her to call, whatever the principal would say to call a child, he, she, they, that's what she means, she would just call it. That is who I had to sit before. It was a shambles. And you know why there was so much cover up? You know why there was so much? Because it's not true. You know, it's not true. They have to find something else. I'm here alone today, coming to my workplace. I just come here every day. I don't know anybody else. I'm just coming to do my job here. And I'm coming in here to do a day's work. And that's what I've